Good morning, traders. OKLO. We featured it. Why you missed out. Why you missed out on buy now, pay later. We have it all over the website. It's posted everywhere. You could have got in on the program. Today we have fresh 52-week highs on OKLO. Yes, we do. We have tried to bring you in this trade. You don't have an account, you don't have credit, you want to be invested. We gave you this opportunity. We gave you this opportunity to get rich. We gave you this opportunity to have that success that you have failed in your previous trading experiences. This chance here is you don't have $100,000 or $50,000 at risk. You had a lousy $1,000 and you could have made 15 grand on OKLO. We have featured it several times. We told you to get in. We told you to call me. We told you to fill out the email. We told you to do everything to better your life. Why do we have to pull teeth to help you? Why aren't you helping yourself? Ask yourself that question. Start there.